Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. I want to see if we can get a failed second entry long here. Looking for a wider pattern in this that's probably not valid but can create a nice trap for us. You can see we had a first entry drop below the MA, and if we break above here, it'll be a second entry long. And I think the bias is turned to the bearish side, so we could get a trap out of this. You see if we drew a wider pattern here, there's a break in new high. It may be valid, but it's so wide that I think the range takes precedence, and this micro downtrend now is so strong that it's really what's at play, especially after the move down through the overnight. But you can see how similar these look. These two turquoise colored channels. It's like a repeat pattern happening. So if we push down, I mean, we could get this strong leg just like before, just based on that repeat. And we did push up above here. You can see first entry, second entry. So I'm actually willing to potentially take this on engulfing. Actually, what I may do is engulfing limit, because it looks like it is going to tick below. And I think this is going to be a nice trap. And it did tick below, so we'll see if we get back 2 ticks on limit. We do. Moving my stop loss 1 tick above the signal bar. It's technically not closed yet, so I could go above the next swing, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and put it here just to limit the risk a little bit. And we do get a really good close there. We're going for 8 ticks, and I like how far back we are on limits. I feel, even with the ATR being right around 10, I feel comfortable going for 8. And this is really looking like a repeat pattern. I mean, it looks very similar. And yeah, so I mean, the bias is bearish, especially coming off the highs of this little range here after the move down to the overnight. So I may hold this runner to the range lows. Hadn't decided just yet. Depends on how it works itself down. If it spikes down like this previous swing, like it did last time, I may take it at the measured move of this. Let's see. Some support down here too before the lows. I'm going to go ahead and trail it a little. Now if we draw this leg, let's see where that puts us on this measured leg. And we're getting pretty close to it. I may take it there. You can see, I mean, this is a spike, so we're getting really far from the EMA now. Yeah, it looks like it may come back and get us right now, but if we can survive, I'm going to take it right here before this measured move. So we didn't quite get to that. And you could widen this, but for now, we'll keep it with a break and new low. And luckily, I did trail to where we're locked in 2 points, so it's almost like getting a, not almost, it is just the equivalent of getting a full scalp if we do get hit. It looks like it may correct now, though. I am going to go ahead and trail, just get a couple more ticks out of it. It may trap these longs that took this bullish bar here. This is really not taking off, so hopefully we can get our runner here at the bottom. And there we go. Get out on the tick. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Failed second entry long, repeat pattern, overall bearish bias, coming off the highs of the range. Yeah, trap in a wider uptrend. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.